One of the first places that we begin with, oftentimes with web research, is Google. Oftentimes, as my children come and ask me a question, if I don't know the answer, I will tell them to go and Google it. But are the results that we receive from Google valid and reliable sources? Well, we need to make logical decisions regarding that, but we can use Google Advanced Search, which will narrow our results and help us to have hits that are information that will be usable for us. First, I want to show you a Google search using the word tigers. Well, we see here that we did come up with some valuable sites. We're trying to research the animal tiger, but you see here how many results we received. So glancing down through here, one of the first things you will notice is that we have received quite a few results from Tigers sports teams. The very first one that comes up is the Detroit Tigers. Well, we know that that's not necessarily information that we're interested in, and if we look down through here, we see that a lot of these results are sports teams. So one of the things that we can do is to narrow our search, and Google Advanced Search is one of the things that can help us do this. You'll notice here the address is google.com/advanced_search. So here this gives us options as to how we might narrow our search. We can use exact words or phrases, but we can also exclude words. We can narrow our search by language, region, date, different types of sites. So there's many ways that Google Advanced Search allows us to narrow our search. So let's think logically. When we saw that our hits were oftentimes sports teams. So if we eliminate the word sports, let's see what kind of results that we might receive. So if we put in find pages with the word tigers, however, we do not want the word sports, so we're going to eliminate that from our search, any site that has the word sports. So if we go to find pages with none of these words and we put in the minus sign plus sports in the box. We also want to make sure that our sites are credible, and one of the ways that we can do that is using certain types of sites or domains. And oftentimes sites with the edu designation or domain we can consider to be more reliable. So let's do this advanced search and see what our results are. Well, the first thing you notice here is that our results number is much lower, and so as we glance through here we see sites, one about the animal tiger, and we see that all of these are from .edu, which would be educational institutions, and would include information that will be valuable to us. So this is just a brief demonstration of how utilizing advanced search can help us narrow our results. Now you'll notice in the box here, the Google search box, that there are some designators that you can use to type in the search in this way instead of going to the Google Advanced Search menu. And I will show you that here. So if you want to use operators in the search box, if that seems to be simpler to you, or if you're utilizing a certain type of search often, then you can learn the operator. And here this shows you the different operators. If, for example, if you want to search for an exact word or phrase, you put the word in parentheses. If you want to exclude a word, you put the minus sign. to search within a certain site or domain, you put site, colon, and then the type of site. So sometimes this might be quicker if you use a certain type of search often. And that's listed on the Google Advanced Search page as well. So hopefully this has been valuable to you in doing Google searches, and we are going to continue with some additional information in the YouTube videos that you will watch.